Understanding the significance of HVAC systems. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems play a crucial role in providing comfortable indoor environments for residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Understanding the significance of HVAC systems involves recognizing their various functions and the impact they have on our daily lives and well-being. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Temperature regulation. One of the primary functions of HVAC systems is to control indoor temperatures. During hot summers, the system provides cooling to maintain a comfortable and livable environment. In colder months, it provides heating to keep the indoor temperature warm and pleasant. 2. Indoor air quality, IAQ. HVAC systems also contribute to improving indoor air quality. They filter out dust, allergens, pollutants, and other contaminants, providing cleaner air for occupants. Proper ventilation is essential for diluting and removing indoor air pollutants, which can have a significant impact on health and productivity. 3. Humidity control. HVAC systems help maintain optimal humidity levels indoors. High humidity can lead to mold growth and discomfort, while low humidity can cause dry skin, respiratory problems, and damage to wooden furniture. By controlling humidity, HVAC systems create a healthier and more comfortable living or working environment. 4. Energy efficiency. Modern HVAC systems are designed to be energy efficient, helping to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Energy-efficient HVAC systems contribute to sustainability and environmental conservation by minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. 5. Health and comfort. A well-functioning HVAC system ensures that indoor spaces are comfortable and conducive to productivity. Extreme temperatures can negatively affect people's health and well-being, leading to issues like heat exhaustion, heat stroke, or hypothermia. Proper heating and cooling promote a healthier and more enjoyable indoor environment. 6. Equipment longevity. HVAC systems also play a role in protecting equipment and infrastructure. In some industries, such as data centers and manufacturing facilities, temperature and humidity control are critical to prevent damage to sensitive equipment. 7. Building regulations and certifications. Many building codes and certifications require compliance with specific HVAC standards to ensure occupant safety and well-being. Meeting these standards is essential for obtaining permits and certifications for commercial buildings. 8. Climate control in specialized environments. HVAC systems are vital in environments that require precise climate control, such as hospitals, laboratories, clean rooms, museums, and server rooms. 9. Weather adaptability. HVAC systems help buildings adapt to different weather conditions, ensuring occupants' comfort and safety throughout the year.